a little bit on the outside of the city of Hanoi to get a motorbike. Yeah, some guy from our hostel brought us here, and we're just looking at our first motorbike now.
We have many different prices. We start with $250 for the Chinese quality.
Chinese quality.
Yes.
Okay.
And some of the made in Vietnam, we have something like $300, $400, $500, $650 for brand new Honda Win.
Okay. 400, 500, 600.
Yes.
For new ones.
New one.
Japan,
Yeah.
made in Vietnam.
Okay.
And with the Chinese.
Can you show us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need something new.
No, used is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this is for 250, and
this
something like this is around $350.
You put on the key and then start.
Yeah.
And you hold the clutch.
Yeah. And then shift the gear.
Yeah. Gear one.
Yeah.
Then you slowly open the clutch and get on. Get on and open.
Yeah. Okay.
And then when you want to turn the gear, have to hold the
Clutch again.
Hold the clutch again, and then two is up.
Okay. Yeah. Slowly.
Open.
Yeah.
Again, hold again. Two.
Slowly. Yeah.
Where you from?
Germany.
Canada.
Yeah.
Slowly, because it's strong engine. Slowly. Yeah. You got it? You got it? 600
And where you change it?
Just go into mechanic shop and they're gonna have you open it and they have this cool drive down here. But just go into mechanic shop, you change, they will charge you about 80,000 to 100,000 long maximum.
Okay.
To change the oil.
All right.
But
And every 600
Every
kilometer.
600 kilometer you change one time.
And this is petrol, right?
Yeah. Yeah, done.
Yes. Okay.
So we want to rate?
Wait. Is there something else I have to do while we drive? Okay.
So we spent some time here now, and we likely, like for sure, we get this bike, the one with the blue on it, and oh great, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, we're not gonna buy it, we rent it. They gave us a really good option for renting, $8 a day. And the reason why we're renting and not buying is because we only have 2 weeks and we don't want to extend the visa. We could extend the visa for $100 together, so $50 each, but then we don't really save much money unless we sell the bike for like the full price again, and we don't know. But anyways, renting is also better because we can get a new bike instead of like an older bike. If we buy one, we can only afford a way older bike and a way cheaper bike, and with this one it's less likely to break down, and it has a USB charger as well, which is really cool. It's a brand new bike, and yeah, so we just rent it now, and then we can start right away tomorrow. That means we only had to spend 2 nights in Hanoi to sort out everything, and that's amazing. I'm super happy about that. Oh man, I'm so excited. I didn't think we can sort it out so quickly, but yeah, we could finally. Like, I'm just so happy that we were able to sort it out within a day. I mean, we only arrived yesterday really late, and today we already have a bike and everything, and it's really reasonable price, and I think we're really happy with it. Yes. And it's a beautiful bike, look at it, the blue one. I can't wait to start the trip tomorrow and go all the way from North Vietnam to South.
If you cannot sell, you just come back to pick up $245.
Yes, okay, that's great.
Yeah,
So if you sell it, you don't need to file our store.
Yes,
If
then
you
we don't
cannot,
need to come back.
Okay,
So you
Yeah.
just it's more open for you.
okay, good.
That's really kind, thanks.
more open, more easy for you and for me. Yeah.
So actually, we literally just bought the bike now. We have the blue card, and I don't know. Yeah, he just offered us a really great deal. So he just gave us the bike for the price we rent with blue card and everything. Hello. And yeah, and we can either return it or we can sell it for him, and yeah, that's it. So he gave us the blue card, and it was like, yeah, up to us now if we're gonna sell it or if we're gonna return it. So it's pretty good deal, because if we can sell it, like if we just find someone to sell it, then obviously we save a lot of money. We could maybe sell it for the same price, but it's cool to have the option. So we just got our bike fixed up, and we took it, taking it home now, and we have to go through all this madness. And this is the first time Nick is riding a bike, a motorbike at least, and yeah, first time in a busy city like this as well.
Turn right.
Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, just like around, yeah, like everybody's doing.
Continue straight. Then, turn right.